Hello everyone, my name is Krish and today I'm gonna show you how you can remove duplicates. For demonstrating it, I made an example here. Here, there are a list of names of few people with a header names. You can see some of the names is repeating twice, like John is here twice, Peter is here twice, and Tom is here twice. I would like to remove all these duplicates names. So how we can proceed? First of all, we have to go to our data section. Under the data section, you can find remove duplicates icon here. So you need to select all the names with the names header and click on this icon, remove duplicates. After clicking it, you can see there is a remove duplicates taskbar appears, in which my data has headers is being checkmarked. So if you have a headers like names, so you can click on it and it will not select the headers. If you don't have any headers, so you can just select all these names. So go ahead and click OK. You can see 3 duplicates values found and removed. 10 unique values remain. So all these names which were duplicated like John, Peter and Tom has been removed. Great. So thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope it might be helpful for you. Have a great day.